Before time, before space, before matter, there was no darkness, because darkness requires space. There was no silence, because silence requires time. There was no before, because causality itself had not yet begun. The universe did not begin inside something. It began as everything, from nothing we can describe. No direction, no distance, no laws. Even the rules that now govern reality had not yet come into existence. And then something happened.
There is a speed limit to reality. The speed of light. 299,792,458 meters per second. It is not merely fast, it is fundamental. Nothing with mass can ever reach it. As objects accelerate toward light speed, time slows, length contracts, mass increases without limit. Light itself experiences no time. From a photon's perspective, its birth and its death happen instantly. When you look at distant stars, you are not seeing them as they are. You are seeing them as they were, millions or billions of years ago.
Time is not universal. It flows differently depending on speed and gravity. Near massive objects, time slows. Near black holes, it nearly stops. This is not theory, it is measured. Satellites orbiting Earth experience time faster than clocks on the ground. Without correcting for this effect, GPS systems would fail within hours. Time is not a background. It is a dimension woven together with space.
For hundreds of thousands of years, the universe was opaque. A hot plasma trapped all light. Then, as the cosmos cooled, electrons bonded with nuclei. Atoms formed. Light was finally released. That light still exists today, stretched into microwaves by the expansion of space. It is called the cosmic microwave background. It is a photograph of the infant universe.
Approximately 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began. Not with an explosion, but with an expansion. Space itself came into being and began stretching in all directions at once. Every particle, every force, every future star and galaxy, all compressed into an unimaginably hot, dense state. In the earliest moments, the four fundamental forces of nature were unified as one: gravity, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, the weak nuclear force. They had not yet separated. Reality was simpler and far more violent.
In a fraction of a second, the universe underwent a phase known as cosmic inflation. Space expanded faster than the speed of light. This does not violate physics because nothing moved through space. Space itself expanded. Tiny quantum fluctuations, microscopic ripples in energy, were stretched across the cosmos. These random imperfections would later become galaxies, stars, and planets. Every structure in the universe traces its origin to quantum randomness. The universe was born imperfect, and because of that, anything could exist. Gravity pulled matter together. Clouds collapsed. Pressure rose. Nuclear fusion ignited. The first stars were massive, short-lived, and violent. Inside their cores, hydrogen fused into helium, helium into carbon, carbon into oxygen. Every element heavier than hydrogen was forged inside stars. When iron formed, the process ended, and the star died.
In death, stars created more than they ever did in life. Supernova explosions forged gold, platinum, and uranium.
Galaxies form along invisible structures. These structures are made of dark matter. Dark matter does not emit light. It cannot be seen. Yet without it, galaxies could not exist. It outweighs normal matter by more than 5 to 1. Most of the universe is invisible.
Light bends where dark matter lies. Galaxies cluster along invisible paths. The universe reveals its secrets indirectly.
Galaxies spin faster than visible matter allows. By all known laws, they should tear themselves apart, but they don't. Something invisible holds them together. We call it dark matter. It does not glow. It does not absorb light. It does not interact with us except through gravity. Without it, galaxies would never have formed. Without it, we would not exist.
Dark matter pulls, but something else pushes. The expansion of the universe is accelerating. Galaxies are not just drifting apart, they are being forced away by something we do not understand. We call it dark energy. It fills empty space. It grows stronger as the universe expands, and it makes up most of reality. The universe is driven by forces we cannot observe directly.
In deep space, enormous clouds of gas and dust rise like cosmic mountains. They are cold, dark, opaque, and inside them, stars are being born. The pillars of creation, sometimes called the pillars of life, are invisible in ordinary light. Only by looking beyond human vision do they reveal themselves. Life begins, hidden from sight.
Around young stars, disks of dust and gas form worlds. On one such world, chemistry crossed a threshold. Molecules began to copy themselves. Life emerged. Through mutation and selection, complexity increased. Eventually, the universe learned how to think.
Your bones, the iron in your blood, all born in stellar collapse. You are not metaphorically stardust. You are literally made of ancient stars.